Here with Jim McConoughey, President and CEO of the Heartland Partnership. We want to talk about the changes in store for 2012. The new year has begun. We're well into it. Some of the changes we're going to see this year include a change in the way we work.
Yeah, this is called 1099 employees or temporary employees. And one of the things that's been scary throughout the last generations of work is that temporary employees was always something you had to do if you didn't have a real job. Well, these are real jobs. Sometimes they last 6-week assignments, sometimes 6-year assignments. They're companies that are actually framed up to have somebody who can be loaned to another company for special purpose. And we're seeing that happen all over the country. It's not just in one industry segment. It's not just in manufacturing or healthcare. It's all different types. And these are jobs that for our kids, they may really like it. They may work 2 years solid and then go bike in Europe for a while. I don't know. But the point is 1099 employees are here. They're expanding. We're looking at a huge market in this area.
Okay, another change for 2012 in the medical field, the transferring of information.
Yeah, so we think of healthcare as being a very modern industry, and it is. There's lots of technology that's involved in that, but we all get tired of filling out forms in the waiting room. We all get tired of sort of not knowing what our record used to be, or if we had a doctor here and now moved to that new service. The modernization of all that healthcare record, electronic medical records, EMRs, is coming in 2012. Quality Quest for Health is one of the organizations in our region that's helping support that. The exchange of information is all getting built, their new medical intranet, and so all of that will exist in the very near future.
And what about attitudes and behaviors of consumers as well as the business owner, the business leader? We're going to see some changes in that as well for 2012.
Yeah, big changes in 2012 on the way that we see people buying things. So one of the big issues, I think, post-recession is that people are much more frugal. And what I mean by that, they make very smart purchases, usually a little lower cost, usually lower maintenance,
smarter
purchases, less bells and whistles. The luxury goods are getting penalized by this a little bit because people are being frugal in there. And we're seeing that all across all industries, whether you're buying a purse, or you're buying a car, or you're buying groceries. So it's a change in attitude post-recession, and we're going to see it last for a long period of time.
And one last change I want to hit on is the change in using social media and technology in your business.
Yeah, you know, people are always trying to figure out ways to get new customers in the door. Well, in the door now may be on the web. And so the characteristics of being able to have an outlet to sell, if you're a little rural Main Street shop and you need to sell to the rest of the world, webitizing your product is probably a good way to do that. So we're seeing it all over the, the industry standards for business. They need to have a web presence and they need to have a relationship with their customers.
All right, those are just a few of the changes you're going to see in store for 2012, and be sure and visit heartlandpartnership.org to learn more about those changes and hear more on what Jim has to say about it. Thanks.